Today we will be doing an unboxing from Coach, and let's get started. I will start by unboxing the smallest item I got first, and let's open it up. I asked it to be gift wrapped since this is a gift for somebody. And it came wrapped like this, and it's a handbag in the Red Sea color. The strap has the Coach logo on it, and I like the small hardware and the small bag. I thought it would be nice to carry my iPhone in it and some cash. This is a gift, but the person I'm giving it to lets me use her stuff, so that's why I'm saying I can put my iPhone and cash in it. I really like the gold hardware. I think it's really unique, and this is what it looks from the inside. It has one pocket here and the logo and card holders and a back pocket. You got the original tags as well. Alright, let's open the second bag that I got from Coach today, and let's see. And like this. Came like this, and I asked for it to be gift wrapped. And the inside of the box says, this is a Coach box. It is made with 75% recycled material. Kindly reuse or recycle it. Our planet will thank you. And it says the same thing in French. This is the second handbag that I got today, and it's also from Coach, and I got it because it looks so classy and elegant. Also came with a strap, and it has side pockets here and here. I really like the logo. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. And let's retrieve the strap. Let me attach the strap for you guys. And this is how it looks like with the strap on. I thought this was a really unique bag, and so I got this one. It came with the original tags as well. It has a compartment for change, and you can close it. It has a button inside, and you can close it like that. And then some card holders. I'll give you a close-up of this bag a little later. It comes with these stands. You can put it on the table like this. And yeah, this is the second handbag I got. Actually, this was my favorite one, but since I saw it at the last, I wasn't going to buy it, but then I decided to buy it because this is so timeless. It's really cute to dress up your outfit, especially when you're going out to dinner. And so let's unbox the third handbag that I got today. That one is for everyday use, and let's go unbox the third handbag I got today. This is the third handbag that I got from Coach today, and let's unbox it. I asked for this to be gift wrapped as well. This one is for everyday use, and I thought I might take it with me shopping to the bazaar or someplace like that. And it also came with a strap. So this is for convenient shopping. And there was another one like this with pink and gold hardware, but I like the black and blue combination a bit more. That's why I got this one instead of the pink one. But you know, I am more of a pink girl, so it was really hard not buying the pink one for once. And let me attach the hardware again. I really like the quality of the hardware on these bags. And yeah, this is it. Oh my god. And it also came with the original tags. And yeah, that's what I purchased today. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.